Okay, today we're talking about exponents. Another way to say exponents is powers. If I said, what is 2 to the power of 3, I would write the 3 as a superscript, and the 3 here is what we call the power or the exponent. So first, let's practice on saying the expression that we see here, the term that we're seeing here. So I would say this is 2 to the power of 3. You could also say it's 2 raised to the power of 3. Raised to the power of 3. And when we say 2 raised to the power of 3, the mathematical equivalent of 2 to the power of 3 is simply 2 times 2 times 2. So the reason that I multiplied 3 2's together is due to the 3 that the 2 was raised to. So let's try another one real quick. I'm going to push this up. If we have 4 to the power of 6, or 4 raised to the power of 6, what do you think that's going to equal? Pause the video for just a minute and write what you think I'm going to be multiplying and how many times you think I'm going to be multiplying that number. Okay, so pause it now. And welcome back. If you multiplied 6 fours together, then you would be right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4, and if you want to solve that, 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. So this is going to quickly be a pretty large answer. We're going to now have to multiply 16 times 16. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. And now for the 1, placeholder, that's what the 0 is for. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. Oops. And we get 256. So now I know that these equal 256. But I still have to multiply the 256 times this 16 to get my final answer. This is where calculators come in handy, right? But we can also do this by hand. 256 times 16. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 3 is 33. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Placeholder for this second digit, 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 times 2 is 2. Then we add all these up. So we get 6 plus 3 is 9, 5 plus 5 is 0, 2 plus 1 is 4. So our final answer of 256 times 16 is 4,096. And that's the equivalent of 4 raised to the 6th power. Okay, so again, the power of the exponent is simply how many times you're going to multiply this number by itself.